Hey friends from 9XX Research, my name's Dennis. This is my 2018 Panamera 4 E-Hybrid. This is my baby that I took up to Atlanta. Thanks to my beautiful wife Mercy for accompanying me on an 11-hour drive from Miami to Atlanta. Just wanted to give you guys a look at the spoiler retrofit that my good friend Anthony Wong was able to do for the car. So as you can tell, this is the E-Hybrid, and obvious by the neon colored calipers. I did debadge it for the moment. I am getting them blacked out. The badging will be black on the neon green. So as you can see, I do have the quad pipes on here, so it's not the most silent of hybrids, but right now it's on sport mode, so it has a nice little growl to it. I do have the upgraded Champion Porsche 21-inch wheels. And just to reiterate, guys, the spoiler is fully functional. It does pop open in the highway when you reach 65 miles an hour. So all the functionality of the original spoiler is still operational with the new turbo spoiler. I want to show you guys some lines here. This took some time to get perfected, and honestly I thought it was perfect, but Anthony saw that it was about a ½ millimeter off center, so we went back and put it back in and made it perfect. So he does check for that. He does check the lining, make sure that everything is perfect on both sides. And that's just some of the details that you get when you work with Anthony. The way we say it is you rather have a body shop do it for you, or you rather have an engineer do it for you. I do want to show you guys everything is back to its original form. Anthony is very, very detailed, very clean. So he makes sure that everything is back to original form. As a matter of fact, if the bird will let me talk for a second, as a matter of fact, every screw that gets put in here, he measures with a torque wrench, and we get the proper torques on there. So there is no banging or rattling or anything after the fact. It is, like I said, it is as if you had the dealership put it back together for you. And in my opinion, better, because it's an engineer working on your car and not a body shop guy. He's gonna say, yeah, we got the right torque on there, and they don't even have a torque wrench. They're just going by feel. That's not the right way to do it, guys. Here we have the interior of the 2018 Panamera 4 E-Hybrid. As you can see, it's on e-power. You can power it down to Sport Plus. Get a little growl out of it. So one of the concerns I had when I took my Panamera to my buddy Anthony to get the retro spoiler done was that I was not going to have the animation with the turbo wings displayed. So he was able to hook that up, and on top of having the animation for the spoiler, you also get the animation for, so when I go, right now I'm on electric mode, but when I switch over to Sport or Sport Plus, you can see the tailpipes light up. And then of course, once you get the animation, you prop the spoiler up, you'll get that animation as well. And then obviously when it comes down, you get the same animation. So very, very surprising for me that we were able to get the animation on there. So definitely recommend this to anybody that's looking to do the retrofit. And aside from the excellent customer service that you get from Anthony, another cool nugget, he did provide this Porsche key fob that is a direct replica of the 911 RSR, and I just think it's awesome. And it's cool to have your very own. All my other Porsche buddies don't have one, so continue to sweat it, guys.